Okay, we're back, ladies and gentlemen. It seems we have all the systems together. Engineer, is the lighting showing correct?
Yep.
Okay, this is our top quality engineer there. Should we start the countdown then? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you give me the thumbs up signal and the countdown will begin. 10, 9, 8, 7, get ready, ladies and gentlemen, 6, 5, the astronauts are ready, 4, 3, 2, the excitement is huge, 1, blast off. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen, that was amazing. I think this is out of our field of vision. We seem to have full deployment. The parachute seems to be out. Well, it came out. It's not exactly fully open. You can see the little red flag in the sky. Off goes our engineer to recover the unit, the rocket, to make sure the astronauts are fully safe. There he goes. He's off and running. A reliable engineer. Probably outside the realm of camera capability here, but to the naked eye it can be seen descending slowly, with the parachute apparently at least partly open. It looks red, let's put it that way. Where is it? Oh, there it is. It's coming down now. I wonder if this can even be seen on film. There's our engineer. He's ready to pick it up. Off he goes again. There, it's coming down. He's almost going to catch it. There it is. The Eagle has landed. Alright, we'll wait for our trusty engineer to come back. Okay, let's bring it back, engineer. You got to show the camera what it looks like. Yes? Excellent. Are the astronauts all alive?
Yes.
Excellent. Is the rocket ship in one piece? Is the rocket ship in one piece?
Yes.
Any sign of damage?
No.
Excellent, excellent. A second successful mission of the USAF Crossbow.
U.S. Air Force.
The Crossbow rocket. Let's take a look. It's perfect, ladies and gentlemen. My God. Thumbs up.